Alright, it's time to make some adjustments on the tractor. First thing I'm going to do is take the transmission and clutch out just to see what they're like. So in order to do that, I'm going to take the clutch linkage off. So a screw on the top and a screw on the bottom. Unfortunately, access to the one on the bottom is the tire is in the way, so I'm pulling the one on the top and leaving that linkage in place there. There. Well, that's alright. What's the next thing? To take out that's loose, that's pinned. Nope, that's pressed in there real good. Alright. Then, next strategy. Well, I didn't want to take the tire off, but I need to get at the side of the transmission where the gear shift mechanism comes down, so I guess it's time to take off the tire. Okay. Let's see now. The tire appears... yeah, it's clamped. So there's a driving hub and then there's a clamping hub, pair of clamping hubs. But that isn't going to help, though. Alright. I guess I know what we'll do. It's time to just bite the bullet and take the control panel off. Except there's not enough reach for that. Okay. there it is. The whole rear end superstructure. That means the battery box there can be unplugged, and the switch wiring will rotate to the side, and then I'll have room to stuck a toothpick down in the oil fill to stop the oil from running everywhere. Alright. Well, my first attempt to pull the control rod off that was about staying low and avoiding the top there is betraying me, because having that link run up means I can't turn and drop the gearbox the way I want to. Now we have access to the gearbox. Oh, and just like I thought, it's simple square cut gears. For forward, reverse. So nice bit of grease in there. The clutch is positive spring activated, so it's self-adjusting basically, which is nice. So when you push in, it levers in and loosens up, and then when you let go, the spring puts everything together. So that's cool. I didn't know what I expected to see inside the gearbox, but I thought I'd give it a quick check. And see what's in there, because of curiosity. But it's pretty nice, solid little brass gears. So glad I took it apart and looked in it, even if there isn't much to see. So now, unfortunately, means the entire tractor is apart again. So I'll have to put it back together. Alright. I know I got the back of the tractor off and I was like, oh, I'll just pull the rear end apart and look at it while we're in here. But the two halves of this rear end are clamped in these vertical pieces, and then the band brake goes around the body of the differential here, and I would have to take the band brake off, the band brake band out, and that's actually pretty well fastened. And I don't know if I would get it out quickly and easily. And there's nothing wrong with the rear end on this right now, so I'm gonna leave well enough alone. Getting the gearbox out was pretty entertaining. There. Okay, and now I just have to poke the switch back through the hole and put it back in place, and that's back together. So, yeah. Well, that was a bit of an adventure, but you know, it's always interesting to see in a gearbox, even if there isn't anything too exciting going on in there.